Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to decorate a key. So I don't know if you have a struggle with finding the right key when you're at the door and you've got shopping and you know it's a nightmare. So I've decided to make some key identifiers and you can do this with Polymer Clay. So without further ado, here we go.
Better say something that will change my mind. Gotta give me something, 'cause I'm not blind. And I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance. We won't stand a chance. Something that will blow my mind. If I have learned one thing, it's wasting time. I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So what did you think? I think they went really well. So I've seen a few tutorials and I liked the idea and I thought, oh, I think I can do that. So I actually used my own keys from my house, and I hoped and prayed that this would go well, because obviously I'd be putting them in the oven and you know, I needed them to get in. So I'm pleased to say that it went really well. So I'm going to show you what they look like now. So this is the first one. I'm just going to hold it there so you can get a good look of it. And of course the background is nice and white so you can get a good look of it. And then I'm just going to turn it round, pretty much exactly the same. I use the nail foils just to kind of like press on there. So yeah, I actually really like this. Put the green on here, mica powder in general. I have to put some on somewhere. If you notice, I didn't put any glitter on them. Glitter has a tendency to come off things if you're using it regularly, and of course this is a key, so it's going to be in and out of pockets and things like that. So I wanted to make sure nice and sturdy so it didn't break, and I think it turned out right. It is a bit of a weird shape, but then the key is a bit of a weird shape, so I kind of went with it for that one. Okay, so moving on to the next one. So this is really pretty. So it's like a blue flower, and then it's got sort of holographic lines on it around the outside, so it kind of like shines up, and it is just really pretty. So the flower has kind of like brown parts to it, and because of that I decided to put the mica powder on it that was like a bronzy colour to go with it. I'm just going to turn it around here. I did this one upside down by mistake, but I really don't think it matters. But yeah, this is kind of like my favourite side. You can catch, it catches the light in every direction, and it is just really pretty. So as you saw from the tutorial, nail foils go on really easily, providing you tear the strip off once you've pressed it all down really quickly. I did it so many times really slowly, thinking, what on the earth am I doing wrong here? But finally, I did some test pieces, but finally I got it right and it turned out really cool. So the trick is to press it on with your fingers, smooth it over, and then pull it off in the opposite direction to you as quickly as possible. And then it comes off all together and it's absolutely brilliant. So I'm just going to show you the ones that I used. I've got quite a few here. I've got these sort of ones. So these are the ones that I used. These are really pretty. They come in kind of like they're all stapled together. There's loads of different ones here. I've got the holographic ones here, of course. I love some holographic, but I did use this a while back on one of my other videos, and it, as you can see, it's still got some of the pattern in it. If you do have this, you could use that again. So you could then put this on a piece of clay and have some of the cut out parts, and that actually does look really good. I've also got these ones down here as well. I've got some sort of multicolored flowery ones. So you'd use these ones with clay that you didn't want to see underneath, so like scrap, because you wouldn't be able to see through it. And the same for these ones as well. Now I did buy these from Amazon, so I will link them in the description for you so you can have a look yourself. They're not very expensive and they do go a long way, particularly if you're doing small little projects anyway. So this is how you make key identifiers from Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, thanks for watching the tutorial. So this video is about how to decorate. Tutorial. I'm gonna show you tutorial. How the hell do you say tutorial?